So doing the West Coast Saws 200T exhaust pipe. And first time I did it, I put the hole through the back with the drill bit. Got a little too overzealous with it. So we're going to try it again here. And hopefully not do that again. And I don't know how this video is going to turn out. It's my first time ever doing it. Figured I'd give it a shot. Kind of make it a channel for things that me and my son, who's 2, are going to do together. He's not here right now. He's supposed to be. But we'll give us another shot. See how it goes. Got crap everywhere. There you go, just knock everything down. Well, I'm hoping I don't screw this one up, because these OEM mufflers, at least for me, are getting extremely hard to find. I'm trying to take my time. Let's see what that looks like. A little bit of a dimple in there. Maybe finish it out with the dremel the rest of the way. Just kind of trying to get the roundabout circumference of it. Kind of getting there, almost got a hole broke through it. Yeah, for anyone that does this, not a lot of forgiveness once you come through the back part of it. Alright, I think we're going to stop there. And give it a go with the dremel, maybe. I don't think, I don't know that I can get this. Well, maybe I'll just leave this on. I can get it with the dremel. We'll see how that goes. getting there. Turn this down just a hair. Kind of chattering a little bit. That's that top part you gotta watch. Pretty good. Alright, that's definitely a much better way to go. Like I said the first time I did it, I took the drill bit, try to follow it through, and then just, I don't know how well that's showing here, right there, just blew the back part of that out, and now it's on there, looking pretty good. Look at all this. I don't have a compressor yet to be able to blow all this stuff out. That screw broke. Yeah, so I'm not gonna mess with that. I've always been able to take them apart. That's that, and I'm going to get this thing on and then see if we can get a clip of it running. Alright. Alright, so we got it on. Got it all buttoned up. See how it sounds.
right.